You need people who think. You need people who think outside the box. Because this furniture is just an issue of not making it like that. You need to have organization. What type of furniture do your people outside here want? What type of furniture do your people want? What type of products, fabrication do they want? So that's why I'm saying Kenya can be a manufacturing base. Another area is what is called the fabrication, making of windows, making of doors. Kenyans are very talented. You go to a place like Kamukunji, you find all types of fabricated products, metalwork products, whether it's windows, doors, boxes for carrying things. They fabricate it's called what? They fabricate the body of vehicles. So Kenya can be fabrication, furniture can create employment for the youth. That's what I'm saying. Kenya can be the manufacturing base for East Africa. That's what I'm saying. The video is about that. Because if you can focus on furniture, fabrication, metalworking, skilled exportation of skilled people who can go and work outside there, then Kenya can do well. So skilled manpower is the best thing that you can do for Kenya. Then you do manufacturing base, export goods, create jobs for the young people who have nothing. So if you like what I'm saying, you can say something on the mobile number given there. And as I always say, Gwaheri ya kuonana, Gwaheri.